Okay, see, a company is considering two mutually exclusive projects. The finance director considers that the project with higher NPV should be chosen. Okay, and whereas the managing director thinks that one with higher rate of return should be considered. So indirectly, they are asking you.
Ma'am, is breaking.
Net profit. You are required to evaluate the projects and explain the inconsistency, if any, in the ranking of the projects. Okay, shall we begin?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is sum number 18th. We have already done according to ARR. Let us do it according to NPV method also. Yeah. So here we can do, no? This is NPV method. Okay. Now we have project X and project Y. So project X, I am going to do. Project Y, you will do it yourself. Okay. So project X, what is the cost of project X? Cost is equals to 2 lakhs. If you can see here, the initial outlay of both the projects is 2 lakhs. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now what we will do? Tell me, if it is readily given, if the net profit is readily available. So what will be our next step? Come on, tell me what will be our first step. Step number 1 will be
DCI.
CCI क्यों निकालना है बच्चा आपको एनपीवी मेथड में? वी नेवर कैलकुलेट
DCI.
CCI.
DCI.
DCI, very good. Calculation of DCI. And what do we need after
NPV.
DCI?
NPV.
Sorry? No, TPV, total present value. You forgot?
Yes, ma'am.
We need total. Yes, we need total present value. So how many columns? First, year. Next. Come on, tell me next column.
CI
Very good. CI. Next column.
into PV factor.
Very good. So this will be into PV factor. Next column.
DCI.
DCI.
Very good. Very good. So next column will be DCI. And after that, do we need any column?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No. So already we have it here. So I will copy paste from here. Okay. PV factor also I have, because we have done discounted payback period method. So I have DCI also. You guys have to do it, huh?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I will just copy paste from here. Last, I don't need the last column. That is CDCI. Yeah. So copy and pasted here. Okay. Is it clear? See, year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yes, ma'am.
35, 80, 90, 75, 20. Look at the question. 35, 80, 90, 75, 20. Isn't it? The cash inflows of project X. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And 10% PV factor. It is already given here. 0.9183756862. Yes. देखो 918367566862. So if we multiply 35,000 with 0.91, we'll get 31,850. 80,000 with 0.83, 66,400. 90,000 into 0.75, we'll get 67,500 and so on. So now I want TPV. So how to calculate TPV? Can somebody tell me?
Total of DCI.
Very good. Vertical total of DCI. So can you guys tell me what is the vertical total of DCI? टू लाख 29,150 आया इतना?
Yes, ma'am.
कैसे पता चला मुझे? देखो, जो हमने डिस्काउंटेड पेबैक पीरियड किया था ना, उसका CDCI लास्ट कॉलम का जो लास्ट है ना, लास्ट फिगर, वो उसका वर्टिकल टोटल है। क्यूमुलेटिव क्या होता है? सबका एक में एक आप ऐड करते जाते हो ना, तो जो लास्ट फिगर ऐड करते हो वो फाइनल फिगर होती है। सो दिस इज TPV 2,29,150. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
यस। सो क्यूमुलेटिव का जो लास्ट फिगर है ना, वो ही मेरा DCI का टोटल होता है। ठीक है, चलो अभी मुझे क्या करना है? स्टेप नंबर 2, टेल मी कैलकुलेशन ऑफ।
NPV.
वेरी गुड, NPV. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ NPV?
TPV minus initial investment.
TPV
V minus, very good,
minus
initial investment. So what is TPV?
2,20,000.
Very good. 2,29,150 minus. What is initial investment?
2 lakhs.
2
2
lakhs. Very good. So what will be your final answer?
29,150.
Very good. So you will write here rupees 29,150 rupees. I mean rupees 29,150. So this is your NPV, net present value. Now do it for project Y. And then tell me the answer. Final answer. Project Y. For that, I need final answer. That is NPV. Let me see who all can tell me first. Do it quickly. You want question?
yes, ma'am.
Project X is done. If somebody has not done project X, tell me. I will keep the screen on. Should I open the question or keep the screen on? Yes, come on guys, tell me.
Ma'am,
X हो गया?
None question.
Question, okay. Do it. I'm waiting. Yes, correct. Very good answers. Satyam, Sadaf, Reena has got the answers, and that is 4,760 rupees. That is the project, NPV of project Y. You can check from here. See, 4,760 for project Y and 29,150 for project X. So tell me which one is better? We have two projects, no, two NPVs. So which one is better according to you? Come on, tell me which one is preferable?
Ma'am, project X.
Very good. Why project X? Why?
मैम क्योंकि उसका प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ज्यादा है.
Very good. Uska present value zyada hai. So here I will write first the answer of project Y. That is NPV is equals to 4,760. And now here I will write note. Tell me, according to NPV method, project X is more preferable. Because, tell me, because its NPV,
Is higher.
very good, is highest. Its NPV is highest. Okay. So we are done. Let me highlight the answers. These are the two answers. See, 29,150 for project X, and for project Y, it is 4,760. So NPV method, now it is done. Four sums are, okay. You have already understood. So no need to make you understand again and again. If you want more practice, we can do it. But I don't think so. There is much need of that. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so NPV method is done, and now today as we have only one lecture, so we will not be able to continue, and so therefore we will meet tomorrow in the next lecture, and we are going to do for PI method, and I will try my best that we complete PI method tomorrow itself. So our chapter will be wind up. Okay, so capital budgeting has a last method, that is PI, profitability index method. So that we will complete tomorrow. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we wind up for the day? You have another lectures also. Anyways, even I have. Okay. So bye everyone. Take care. Yeah. I'll end the meeting.